Hello guys, my name is Rachel. Welcome to this video. Today I want to talk to you about these earbuds, Redmi Buds 3. I want to show you the full review, the unboxing. I want to tell you about what I think about these earbuds, and I want to show you the sound test, the microphone test, the delay test. So if you want to know more about these earbuds, just come with me and watch this video. And if you want to have the same one, I will leave the link in the description. You just go to the link, click, and go to the website. You can have the same one with a good price. So this is it. So come on with me, enjoy this video, and let me know if you like this or no. Do you want to know about the battery? In the case, these earbuds have 310 million pairs, and in the earphones have 35 million pairs. You can use for about 5 hours. I think it's a good time. You can enjoy your moments with a good earbud. So this is the unboxing with the earbuds Redmi Buds 3. This is the white box. Look at this light, so nice. And here have a couple informations and a couple pictures. And you start open here. Here you have the case. This is how the case looks like. You open here and have the earphones. This is how the earphones look like. And here we have the cable too. Look at the cable. This is how the cable looks like. And here you put the cable for your charge. And you go here and open from here. And we have the menu. The menu is all in Chinese. But we can see the numbers and a couple pictures. So now I'll show you how these earbuds look like in the ear. This is the case. You just open the case and put these earbuds in your ear. So this is how the earbuds look like in the ear. It's comfortable. The earbuds muted tight, but not too much. I still can hear. But it's good, it's comfortable. This is the microphone test. So right now you listen my voice with the microphone in the Redmi Buds 3. So what do you think about the sounds? You think you can hear my voice good or not? What do you think about the microphone? Let me know, comment here if you like, if you think it's good. I think it's good. I think you can have a good call conversation. Yes. It's good. What do you think about? Now I will show you how the sounds with the earbuds Redmi Buds 3. You're gonna see if you like the sounds or not. Now I will show you the delay test with the game PUBG without the mode game on. So now we go turn on the mode game on. You just go to Bluetooth, click here and click here. That means the mode game is on. So now we're gonna make the delay test with the game PUBG with the mode game on. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this earbud. It's comfortable, it's nice, the battery is so good, you can listen for a while. If you like this earbuds, don't forget clicking the link and have the same one for a good price. Thank you. Don't forget, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know more about other earbuds, just let me know which one you want to know. Okay? See you soon!